everyone, this is Lisa Garcia here at the Homestead campus. We're talking about Professor Vellone's artist research project. To begin, hover over academics and select libraries. Then under the search box, select LibGuides. Enter Professor Vellone's name in the search box to find his LibGuide. Select the very first bolded hyperlink that appears. Alright, so this is Professor Vellone's LibGuide. Select Artist Research. You'll see that we have recommended 4 sources, each of which we will explore in this video. Let's begin with Biography and Context. First, you'll have to log in using your MDC account. And then you can enter the name of your artist in the search box. Alright, so here you have lots of journal articles to choose from. Each of these blue links is fair game. But I always recommend that students begin with the overview. So click on Read More. So these articles will have subtitles that are very helpful when creating your main points. So for example, Roman numeral 1, early life, Roman numeral 2, increasing fame, and so on. Select the Cite button to retrieve your citation in APA format. Make sure it's APA because often MLA is default. Okay, and then bring it over to your references page. Make sure you format it to be Roman Times New Roman, 12-point font, double spaced. And then we're going to paste our citation and open up the paragraph settings to add that hanging indent. Make sure you don't add spaces between paragraphs of the same style. And then look it over to make sure that the journal title is in italics. Alright, let's take a look at another example. Films on Demand is another great database to find research for your artist. Enter the name in the search box and then scroll down through your results. So these are great videos. Just make sure you pay attention to the date of publication. You'll notice that these videos are often segmented, so look at the segments, look at the transcript for your in-text citations, and take a look at the Cite button underneath the player. Make sure that it's in APA format before copying the citation. Bring it over to your references page. You're going to try to paste it using merging the format, and then look it over to correct any mistakes, italicize in this case the database, and then remove any punctuation that is extra, and capitalize or lowercase whatever needs to be edited. Make sure it's in alphabetical order. Alright, let's take a look at Academic Search Complete. That's another option. Academic Search Complete is an EBSCO database. But if you want to maximize your results, click on Choose Databases, and then you can select all 44 EBSCO databases at once. And then enter your search terms in the search box. Alright, so now we're going to limit our results to full text and then scroll through them to find something that catches our eye. So when you see something you like, click on the title. You'll notice you have an abstract that tells you about the article. You've got your full text on the left and your citation tools on the right. If you click on the PDF, your citations are going to be minimized, but they're still there. Just remember it's that yellow button. Click on that and then scroll through the results to locate the APA format. Copy that information and bring it over to your references page, and then look it over to make sure that there are no mistakes. Italicize the journal title, and then you'll notice that the author's last name is omitted. So it should have been O'Donnell. So we have to edit that. And then the format is last name, comma, first name, initial. So we need to edit that. And they should be in alphabetical order. All right, let's take a look at the last suggestion, which is books. We have great books, a great collection of print materials at the Homestead Library for this particular assignment. So click on the library catalog, enter your search terms in the search box, and then you'll be asked to sign in. Select My MDC account. You'll notice that your results are college-wide. So we can always place an inter-campus loan, and I'll show you how to do that. But to limit your results to just the collection that is here at the Homestead campus, collapse campus, and select Homestead. And then look at the results. This book looks like it's got a chapter on Warhol, so we're going to click on that book that is available at the Homestead campus. All right. And you'll see that you also have a great citation tool that you can use. Copy and paste that information, bring it over to your references page. And again, we're going to have to look over the citation to make sure that things are correct. In this case, we have to italicize the name of the book, and we have to edit the first name because it should just be an initial. You also have to change that and to an ampersand. And this first name should just be an initial, so we're moving that forward. All right. So if you wanted to place that interlibrary loan, just click on the book that you need, select the location that you are looking to borrow from, and then just click request, and it's easy. It'll get here in about, it'll arrive in about 3 to 5 days. If you need help, you can book an appointment to see a tutor. On Professor Vellone's Slip Guide, there's a tutor schedule. You can book an appointment online. You can come see us in D101, or you can call us, 305-227-5153. You can also meet with Barbara or myself to make an appointment with a librarian, and we can help you find those articles. If you click on either one, you can log into My MDC account on EAB Navigate to select a time and date for the appointment. Or you can also chat with the Florida librarian if it's after hours. Just click on Chat with the Librarian and then ask your question in the chat box. This is a great resource because once we close at 9 p.m., Ask a Librarian it stays open until midnight, Sunday through Thursday, and they're open 10 to 5 on Friday and Saturday. Thank you so much for listening. I hope this was helpful.